Hello friends and potential friends. Got some drama going on out here. Mamba there has just had his first experience with a squirrel. And to be honest, I think the squirrel is winning. I've been out here walking around for the last 5 minutes and the squirrel just ignores me. Mamba just went over and tried to make friends with him and the squirrel wasn't having none of it. Interesting times at the cat house. But anyway, if you saw the end of my mid-March garden tour, you might have noticed that our local Walmart went kind of crazy on seeds this year. They had the most extensive seed display I've ever seen out there. And one of the things they had was seed potatoes, onion sets, sweet potatoes, garlic, seed garlic, lots and lots of flowers and bulbs. And they had these strawberries. So I decided I'm going to put together a strawberry tower. Or at least I will if the squirrel will let me. He's about 3 feet away from me right now. Doesn't seem to be at all concerned. So let's get busy. I got to put together some soil, fill up some GreenStalk, and get those strawberries planted. Looks like Pally wants to get in on the action, but he can't decide what to do with this squirrel either. That is one brave squirrel. It's a good thing Snowflake's up on the roof. Of course, that's where the squirrel will probably go if he gets scared enough. Anyway, that's enough squirrel for now. Back to strawberries. Well, there we have it. There are actually 28 crowns. It's the 3 packs that I got. It's possible I may have planted a couple of them together. It's supposed to be 10 crowns to a pack, but it's almost full. And to fill it up a little bit more, I pulled out some Italian oregano out of the lab. Put that in there. Got it watered in a bit. I'm gonna go get a couple more gallons of water and put in the top. But then we just sit back and wait for it to grow. And by the way, the squirrel left. That's it. I'll see you next time.